Greetings everyone, Stefan is here, welcome back for another video. In today's video we have a very interesting microphone. Let me show you close up. So this is the MAONO GamerWave. So this is a RGB gaming microphone for you, for your setup. In today's video I'll show you what comes in the box. Also we're gonna test it, we're gonna hear it, and we're gonna see if this is gonna be your next gaming microphone. At the moment I'm using the Donor P08. So without further ado, let's start with the unboxing now. So I forgot to mention, this microphone comes in 3 colors. Comes in white, pink and black. For today's video I have the white version. I think the white version looks very nice, but if you're looking something different you can get the pink one and also the black as well. All right, let's continue now. Let's unbox it. I'm gonna leave the box on the side. Oh, this is upside down. All right, so what we have here, we have the MAONO user manual, as you can see, with all the information. This is straightforward. This is a plug-and-play microphone. No software required, so compatible with Mac and PC, also with some gaming consoles as well. So the first thing we see is the accessories. Something happened with my light, apologize about that. I need to fix that, just give me 1 second. Yeah, needs a little bit tap on the light. Apologize one more time about that. So the first thing we see is the accessories. So we have 2 items in the box. I'm gonna leave this on the side. So the first thing we see is a type A, and the other side of the cable is type C, but this is a converter, so if we remove this part we have a type C. So generally I think this is very good idea. So type C to type C or type A to type C, very good touch. So I'm gonna put this on the side. The next thing we have is this adapter. So unfortunately this doesn't come with the 5/8 to 3/8, but this adapter is very good that they included in the box. I wish they included 5/8 to 3/8, but they didn't. So this is, in order to attach this to a different microphone arm, you need this. I'm gonna put this on the side. And last but not least, we have our interesting friendly budget microphone. This is the MAONO GamerWave. Very interesting microphone in my opinion. I do like this white design with the included pop filter, with the branding on the front. Very good touch. And let me show you some of the physical buttons and a little bit of this microphone. So on the side, as you can see, pretty nice sleek design. On other side as well, this is the back of the microphone. Something very interesting is that you can adjust the microphone. As you can see, the microphone stand is very small but is practical in my opinion. And let's see at the side of the microphone. I do like the design of this GamerWave from MAONO. And also let me show you some of the functions of this microphone. So on the front we have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Also we have a game dial. So as you can see from here, you can control the game of the microphone. There is no knob for the headphone jack monitoring, but it's good that we have a 3.5mm headphone jack for real-time monitoring, which is a very good touch. And now the top of the microphone, we have a couple of dials, couple of buttons here. So the first button is the RGB light toggle. So from here you can change the colors of your microphone, which is very good. Also we have a noise cancelling feature. So if you press this button, which I will show you in the video, we enable the noise cancelling feature. This is very interesting to try, and I'm a little bit skeptical if I'm honest with you, but we're gonna test that in today's video. Also we have a mute button. This is a very good touch to have as well while you're gaming, to stop the sound from the microphone if you wanna say something or if you wanna have a break for a couple of seconds. But other than that, this is our friendly budget microphone from MAONO. This is a quick disclaimer to say now that MAONO sent this microphone for review. They don't sponsor today's video. It's just a review. So all my opinion will be in the end of today's video. So I'm gonna be honest with you as always. This is a microphone that you have to talk front of, as you can see. So we have the pop filter, so you have to talk front of the microphone. This microphone is a Cardio 8 polo pattern, so it's good in some ways, but we'll see how much is going to be the problem with the noise floor. So we're going to test that in today's video. So without further ado, let's start with this video now. The next clip you're going to see is going to be the MAONO GamerWave. We're going to use the microphone in the next clip. Alright, so now let's test this GamerWave microphone from MAONO. This is the sound from this microphone. The microphone is plugged into my MacBook Pro. We're using the Audacity software to record today's video. Also, my headphones are connected. Audio-Technica ATH-M50 is connected to the microphone just to hear myself. And we'll talk about the noise floor in the minute. But let's talk about a little bit about this RGB microphone, because in my opinion the RGB looks very good. I do like this vibe, and the colors actually they're quite vibrant and they look amazing on camera. I hope you can see that, but I do like this design of this microphone. We'll talk about as well the aesthetic of the microphone and the build quality and the sound quality in a minute. But the RGB is very good. I do like that. Like I mentioned earlier, we have a couple of dials and buttons on this microphone. So we have a 3.5mm headphone jack to monitor yourself, and also we have a gain dial for the microphone as well. On the top we have the RGB light toggle to change different colors. Also we have the mute button, which in my opinion is very good. And the last not least, we have the noise cancelling feature, which I will test that, as MAONO says that this is going to help you if you have some let's say keyboard going on, fan, a noisy room. So we will test that in the second. We're going to check this noise cancelling feature. So first, let's talk about the sound quality. The sound quality of the microphone, in my opinion, is good, but I can hear in my headphones that I feel like I speak in a tube or something. So this is what I'm hearing. Like I mentioned, I'm using the Audio-Technica's ATH-M50s, the professional monitoring headphones. So this is what I'm hearing. The sound quality is good. I don't hear a lot of noise background, but when we test that with the noise cancelling feature, I'll give you the difference. But other than that, I do like the aesthetic of this microphone. I think it's good for setup that you don't require expensive gear. So sometimes I really enjoy to test some budget-friendly gear, because you don't need the most expensive gear to start your gaming channel. But yeah, I do like this aesthetic of this microphone. So like I mentioned, the sound quality of the microphone is good. I hear a little bit of background noise, so I really suggest to use the headphones to monitor yourself, just to hear the sound of this microphone. At least you will know if there's any noise situation with this microphone. This is a Cardio 8 polo pattern, so you have to talk front of the microphone like I'm talking right now. So we're gonna do some tests of this microphone, so we'll see what is the off-axis rejection of this microphone, if it's good, if it's not good. So I'm gonna spin the microphone in a second, so we'll give you this test as well. I do really like that they include this pop filter with the microphone, because let's face it, if you have a problems with the plosives, once you have plosives in the recording, it's really hard to remove that, even with the software. So let's test that. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. Even when I don't talk on the pop filter, I can hear that they're doing pretty much. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. So the pop filter actually is doing pretty good job in my opinion. So make sure to use the pop filter because, like I mentioned, it's really bad if you have plosives in your recording. But I do like that. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna spin the microphone. So we're gonna check what is the off-axis rejection of this microphone. So this is the front of the microphone, as you can hear. So this is the side of the microphone, so I can hear still myself. And now this is the back of the microphone. So like I mentioned, this is a Cardio 8 polo pattern, so you're gonna hear yourself a little bit. So the off-axis rejection, it's not very good in my opinion. But again, this is the other side of the microphone, and this is the front of the microphone. Like I mentioned, the off-axis, it's not very good. I know this is a friendly budget microphone, but I have to test that. So imagine you have like a keyboard going on, fan, noise, so at least you will know. But this will change when we use the noise cancelling feature. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press the mute button to hear if there's any audible click. Alright, so as you can see, the mute button actually works very good. So it's good to have a mute button, especially while you're gaming. You want to mute yourself if you want to say something, or if you sneeze, and if you want to, let's say, have a break for a couple of seconds, you mute yourself. This is a very good touch. And now let's test the noise cancelling feature. So at the moment, when I talk front of the microphone, we have a green light. So this means that this is the normal mode, but when you turn the noise cancelling feature, this will turn blue. So let's do that now. Let's see if there's any difference. Okay, so this is the noise cancelling feature. This is a little bit weird. So now my voice is even a little bit more. Wow, this is strange. This is strange, but in a good way. I still can hear myself clear, but the noise cancelling actually is working very well. Earlier I was hearing a little bit of noise. Even now when I don't talk, I don't hear nothing. Let's go back to the normal mode. Wow, so let's go back to normal mode. So this is the normal mode. This is interesting. So the noise cancelling actually is working very good in my opinion. Actually, I was a little bit skeptical. And yeah, this was the noise cancelling feature on. So this is the noise cancelling feature off now. So overall, I think the noise cancelling is working very good. So now let's change some of the RGB lights here just to see on camera what we have here. So we have a button on the top which we can press and use the function to change the colors. As you can see, we have a red, a yellow, I think. No, this is yellow. We have a green. This is nice. Blue, purple. So we have a different colors. So my favorite one obviously is the one that changes automatically all the colors. So this is cool. This looks nice on the camera. So there you have it, guys. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? This is the GamerWave from MAONO. Once again, thanks to MAONO for sending this microphone. What is my opinion? For the price, I think it's a very good. The only thing that I suggest is maybe the build quality. It's not going to be great, so be careful because this is made from plastic. But again, This is towards a budget-friendly microphone, so I think it's a good for the price. But overall, very good microphone. I do like the sound quality. I do like the RGB. The noise cancelling is working very well. We have a mute button. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Good microphone for the price. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. As always, I'll see you in the next video.